So looking at this particular question, we're going to start with number 8. I know I had done that on a previous one and looked at the opposite part of it and not looked at the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph these 4 points. Number 8 says 2, 3, and 3, 1 are opposite vertices in a parallelogram. If 0, 0 is the third vertex, then the fourth vertex is what? Now, these say they're opposite vertices. So if 2, 3, and 3, 1 are opposite vertices, let's pull it down this way. Oh, let me cross this one out. 2, 3, and 3, 1 are opposite vertices. What does that mean? That means that's a diagonal, right? So if these two are across from each other, this one has to be across from the other one, right? So let's look at how we can figure that out. That's 4, 5, we'll put 5, 6, 7. Okay. What is the slope of this line here? Well, I go from 0, 0 to 2, 3. So I can count. I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over, up 3 and over 2. So my slope of this line is 3 over 2. So to make a parallel slope, I have to have 3 over 2 as well. So I'm going to start at 1, and I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 2, which puts me at 5. So that's actually now at 5, 4. So the answer is A, 5, 4. And that's kind of a tough one because now can you see the parallelogram? You have to pay attention to the fact that these are opposite vertices. Opposite vertices. So that means that this one has to be opposite the other one, and you use the slopes to find out, and you can count. Up 3 over 2, so I'm going to count up 3 over 2. That will give me my coordinate of 5, 4. So now let's look at the last one. And it says find the measure of the missing angle. Well, what kind of a polygon is this? That's right, it's a quadrilateral. Good job, guys. It's a quadrilateral. So since it's a quadrilateral, that means the interior angle sum, remember, which is n minus 2 times 180, is going to be 4 minus 2 times 180, which is 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. So all 4 of these guys have to add to 360. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ones I do have. I've got 108, 79, and 72. So that gives me 180, 259 degrees between these 3 angles. 108 plus 72 is a 180, plus 79 is 259. So I'm going to take this 259 that I have already accounted for with these angles, and I'm going to subtract that 259 from the 360, and I will get 101. So this remaining angle is 101 degrees. And that's how you find the missing angle of a polygon. If you know the sum of all the angles, find the sum using the interior angle sum, and then add the ones you do have and subtract it from the sum to get the one you don't have.